Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make the best fried chicken sandwich ever. We'll start off by cutting up the crispy chicken skins and putting that into the chicken fat sambal. Then you pair it with Kewpie mayonnaise, which has loads of umami. Add your fried chicken to the mix, and you will have a thick and juicy sandwich. Look at that.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
How do we make that crispy fried chicken? Here's the recipe for that.
I'll take a hit and still finish.
The baking powder makes the skin extra crispy, so don't forget to add that.
Isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days
Here's the recipe for the chicken fat sambal.
we should have.
And you can use this on any of your pastas, rice dishes too.
I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah.